When you invest in a mutual fund, you're trusting others with your money. So how does the system make sure that the others don't misuse it? How does your money come back to you safely with returns? Well, keep watching and you'll find out soon. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss out on any updates from us. To ensure transparency and fairness for your mutual fund, mutual funds follow a structure, the mutual fund structure. It follows a structured system to ensure your money is managed fairly, transparently, and in regulatory compliance. If you want to learn more about the structure of mutual funds in India, check out the blog link provided in the description. Anyways, the mutual fund structure comprises of certain key entities, such as sponsors, trustees, AMC custodians, and other service providers. Let's take an example. When you invest in HDFC Mutual Fund, HDFC Bank becomes the sponsor, as they initialize the fund by providing an initial capital, appointing trustees, and setting up the AMC. HDFC AMC manages your investments, as in, decides where to put your money, like in stocks, bonds, etc., so it can grow. Trustees monitor everything, ensuring the fund runs fairly and follows all the rules. Custodians keep your money and investment documents safe. Other service providers such as registrars manage your account details, transactions, and records. And distributors like apps or bank branches help you invest by connecting you to the fund. Although, don't invest in mutual funds if you don't have a proper understanding of mutual funds, including the types, smart investments, risk management, latest trends, etc. But don't worry, watch this video till the end and you'll have a good foundation.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.